बरतानवी हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड्स की मेंबर बेरूनिस सैयदा वारसी ने बरतानवी हुकूमत से मुतालबा किया है कि वो पाकिस्तान और भारत के हालात के बेहतरी में अपना किरदार अदा करें। उन्होंने वजीर आजम इमरान खान की अमन की पेशकश को सराहते हुए बरतानवी हुकूमत पर जोर दिया है कि वो पाक भारत कशीदगी खत्म करने में अपना भरपूर किरदार अदा करें।
Prime Minister Imran Khan, with his clear and unequivocal condemnation of the attack in Pulwama, his open and unconditional offer to assist India in every way in relation to that investigation, and his consistent hand of friendship and diplomacy in this matter. And is the House, I'm sure the House is familiar, that there was a somewhat 10-year boycott on Narendra Modi because of his association with religious violence which in fact took the lives of British citizens that lived in Dewsbury and Batley, where I was born and raised. And therefore, could I encourage the government to speak to now Prime Minister Modi and ask him to put the interests of India, the Indian people, and most significantly personnel within the Indian Air Force over and above his personal political interest because of the forthcoming elections?
Yeah.